talking about US-Pakistan relations and Pakistan's engagements in Afghanistan and what Pakistan wants to see in Afghanistan as far as its own role is concerned. How do you see this thing going right now? I mean, the tensions between US and Pakistan, is it going to work or not?
I think Pakistan has responsibilities, but it also has rights. I think Pakistan needs to be part of the solution in South Asia. It has legitimate interests, but it also has important global responsibilities. And I very much hope that a serious partnership between America and Pakistan is re-established. You're right that there's all sorts of rhetoric at the moment, but the two countries have got too much to lose from failing to cooperate with each other.
You spoke about reconciliation with Taliban. How do you see it happening on the ground? And would you like to condition some other terms with negotiations?
I'd like to see the UN appoint a negotiator to talk to all sides, including the West, but also including the regional powers. I think that it's very important that all the tribes and the peoples of Afghanistan are included in the political settlement. And I think it's also very important that there's a red line on dealing with Al-Qaeda. And it's the hosting of Al-Qaeda that originally brought the West into Afghanistan. I think there's more than enough common ground to help us get out with honor and with interest on all sides.